Hey guys, today in this video, I'll show you how you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat on Android. So keep watching till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, sign in to your account and you will be on the Filters screen. Here, if you swipe right, you will see all your chats. As you can see, my Snapchat is currently in light mode. To enable dark mode, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, then tap on the settings gear icon at the top. Now, a list of options will open. Scroll down and find the App Appearance option. Tap on it and then select Always Dark. After that, tap on Restart, and that's it. You can see the app has now switched to dark mode. So this is how you can get dark mode on Snapchat on Android. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.